welcome to The Angle. I am Muskan Mathur. Let's have a look onto the top headlines. PNB scam accused and fugitive businessman Mehul Choksi has got another major setback. Return is possible to India. Governor Kalraj Mishra inaugurated and laid the foundation stone along with Chief Minister Ashok Gehlot. Sachin Pilot's supporter Vishwendra Singh overturned the ditch. Many MLAs met at Pilot House. Sushant's father KK Singh filed a petition against the film being made on his son. Court has dismissed his petition. Dominica government declared Mehul as illegal immigrant. Punjab National Bank scam accused and fugitive businessman Mehul Choksi has got another major setback. The government of Dominica has declared Mehul Choksi an illegal immigrant. Dominica's Minister of National Security and Home Affairs Rayburn Blackmore has ordered the police chief to take immediate steps in accordance with the law of expel Choksi. According to the information, the Dominica administration placed this order before the court, also appealed that Mehul Choksi's petition be dismissed and sent to India. This order of the government is another setback for Mehul Choksi and also hurts the kidnapping theory. Rahul Gandhi gave advice to central government. Every person going to the vaccination center should be vaccinated. Rahul Gandhi has advised the central government that online registration is not enough for the vaccination. Everyone who walks into the vaccine center should get vaccinated. Right to life belongs to all those who have no internet. Foundation stone laid and inauguration in Agriculture University and Animal Science University. Governor Kalraj Mishra inaugurated and laid the foundation stone along with the Chief Minister Ashok Gehlot, Minister Lalchand Kataria, Bhajan Lal Jatav along with administrative officers were also present there. Addressing the program, Chief Minister Ashok Gehlot said the government wants that agriculture and animal husbandry should be expanded rapidly in the state. It has got importance since independence in the country. Today the economy of the country is lot of trouble. In such conditions, agriculture and animal husbandry have no important contribution. CM said that earlier there was no institution in Rajasthan, but now the picture of Rajasthan has changed. 4-story building collapsed in Malad, Mumbai. Heavy rains have once again wreaked havoc in Mumbai. A 4-story residential building collapsed at night in Malad West area of Mumbai, killing 11 people and injuring several others. Apart from this, many people got buried under the debris, which is not pulled out. An official of the Brihan Mumbai Municipal Corporation BMC said that accident took place around 11:15 pm on Wednesday night at new collector's compound of Abdul Hamid Road in Malwani area. Fire brigade personnel and other agencies immediately rushed to the spot and started rescue and search operations. He said that 8 children and 3 adults were killed in that accident. Vishwendra Singh, a staunch supporter of Sachin Pilot, has taken U-turn. Vishwendra Singh has given indications of joining Gehlot camp. Gehlot's manager is constantly meeting Vishwendra Singh. A close leader of Gehlot met him. Discussions of Vishwendra Singh changing sides were going on of more than a month, but now they have seemed to stamped. Vishwendra Singh has said that I am with Ashok Gehlot because he has been made the chief minister by Congress President Sonia Gandhi. I am also with Sachin Pilot. I am acting as a bridge between the Gehlot and Pilot so that the Congress can survive. The same Vishwendra Singh's son Anirudh Singh has targeted his father Vishwendra Singh in gestures through Twitter. Anirudh Singh wrote the word betrayal on his Twitter account, after which many meetings and meanings are tweeting against the extract. Yog Guru Baba Ramdev's big statement after allopathy controversy. Now Baba Ramdev will also get coronavirus vaccine. Baba Ramdev appealed to everyone to get vaccinated and said that he is to get vaccine soon. Ramdev told the people that yoga prevents complications from corona. Practice yoga and Ayurveda. Swami Ramdev earlier said that his fight is against wrongdoers. He had said that he would put a list of generic medicines on his Facebook and Twitter accounts which sell of rupees at the same time. The same medicines of branded companies are sold many times more expensive. BJP's internal strife has come into the fore in Madhya Pradesh. The political scene was seen in the cabinet meeting held this week. In the cabinet meeting, Home Minister Narottam Mishra opposed the proposal to give more than the budget exemption in the Narmada Valley Development Scheme. Actually, for the first time after Corona, all the ministers in Bhopal came to meet the Vallabh Bhavan. Due to Corona, a virtual cabinet meeting was being held from last several months. In the meeting, a proposal was made to give more than a budget exemption of 2 projects of rupees 8,800 crores of Narmada Valley Development Scheme. On this, Home Minister Narottam Mishra protested that dams have not been built in these projects but pipes are already being laid. Flying sick, Milkha Singh's health is improving rapidly. The health of the corona-infected Padma Shri Milkha Singh admitted in Chandigarh PGI is improving rapidly. On Wednesday, the food pipe lying in his nose was removed, after which he ate food with his hand. Till Tuesday, he was being given food through a pipe fitted in his nose. At the same time, his oxygen level is also improving rapidly. Now, instead of high flow, he has given oxygen at normal flow. At the same time, another parameters increased during the transition are also gradually becoming normal. He has been kept in the isolation room created in ICU Unit 1. Delhi High Court dismissed the appeal on ban on the film of Sushant. The death of actor Sushant Singh Rajput was a big blow in the film industry and his fans, from which people have not been able to recover even today. A film is being made on the actor's life titled Nyaya the Justice, but this film has been mired in controversies even before its release. Sushant's father KK Singh has filed a petition against the film being made on his son. In the petition, the actor's father urged everyone to stop the use of his son's name or a similar name in the film. Now, while delivering the verdict on this, the Delhi High Court has dismissed his petition. The release date of the film Nyaya Justice is June 11. The film can be released after the court's decision. That's all for this bulletin. If you like our video, please like, share and subscribe to our channel.